Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Academy. In this video we're going to solve an equation with exponential terms. We are given e to the power 4x plus 4 times e to the power 3x minus 15 8 e to the power 2x plus 4 times e to the power x plus 1 equals 0, and we are going to find the values of x. First, we can factor out e to the power 2x. As you can see, the multiplication of two expressions equals 0, so we can say every expression can be set to 0, but this is not true. Because e to the power 2x is always greater than 0, and this is a function that for negative and positive values give us the positive number. E to the power 2x is always then greater than 0, so we cannot write e to the power 2x equals 0. In the next step, we can write this expression equals 0. Now we can write together the terms that have same exponents, e to the power 2x and 1 over e to the power 2x, e to the power x and 1 over e to the power x. Now I can factor out 4 from these two terms. Now we can use the change variable methods, and we can e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x, we can write this is equal u, and by square both sides we get e to the power 2x plus 1 over e to the power 2x plus 2 equals u squared. By replacing e to the power 2x plus 1 over e to the power 2x by u squared minus 2, and replacing e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x by u, we get u squared minus 2 plus 4u minus 58 equals 0. Minus 2 and minus 58 becomes minus 60. Now we have a quadratic equation, and we can easily solve this equation and find the roots of this equation. U equals minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times minus 16 divided by 2. This radical becomes 256. Square root of 256 equals 16, and minus 4 plus minus 16 over 2 equals u equals minus 10, and u equals 6. Now we should let e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x equals minus 10 and 6, but minus 10 is not our answer, because e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x is greater than 0. So we write e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x equals 6. Now we have a new equation. We have a fractional term. For deleting these terms, we can multiplying both sides by e to the power x. So we get e to the power 2x plus 1 equals 6 e to the power x, and by moving these terms to left hand side, we get e to the power 2x minus 6 times e to the power x plus 1 equals 0. Once again, we need to use the change variable methods. We introduce e to the power x equals t. By replacing e to the power x by t, we get a quadratic equation. T squared minus 6 times t plus 1 equals 0, and the roots of this equation equals t equals 6 plus minus square root of 32 over 2. These two terms is positive, so we can write e to the power x equals 6 plus minus square root of 32 over 2. And finally, by take ln of from both sides, we can write x equals ln of 6 plus square root of 32 over 2, and x equals ln of 6 minus square root of 32 over 2. And this equation has two roots. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.